Welcome back to my channel. How alive? I have quite a few subscribers and I'm so grateful. Yeah, your girl, I get some ta-ta-tas nowadays. Goodwill was a bus, but I'm a $11 bra, but these are some big bras. Today, yeah. How are you taking care of yourself? One, and then if it's too close across my it's been a great year so far. I can't complain. So this is the outfit for today. That's a bit ridiculous.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling.
Time flies when you're having fun though. Anyways, I'll catch you later.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Oh, my nose look a bit greasy, but I'm sorry, my throat is a bit dry. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing a series. I'm going home in a couple of days. I have been in America for a little minute and I'm going home and I'm trying to get some stuff for my family. So I gave myself this challenge to see if I could spend 20. Oh, I'm way ahead. My name is D, the Traveler, and I am on, that's my handle for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, clicking on my face. I am happy you're here. I hope you enjoy the content. I talk a lot about lifestyle, travel, a lot about travel. Tips, tricks, where to go, what to do, what to see, what to eat, because eating is important. I do hope that you enjoy the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that they can all join over here. So as I was saying, I'm giving myself a challenge to spend between $20 to $30 in a few stores to get some stuff for my family, especially most important person in my family, my nephew. So his birthday is coming up and I want to get him a few stuff. Yesterday I went to Ross and I failed miserably. Of course you'll be seeing those videos a part of this weekly vlog. It's a bit late because today is Wednesday. So I didn't start on Monday, I started on Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. So I'm a bit late on trying to get stuff together. And I need to wrap up by Friday because I leave on Saturday. Whenever you see this vlog, I hope you had a great June. I know it's not coming off of June. I hope you had a great June. We are halfway through the year. Baby! Time flies when you're having fun though. It's been a great year so far. I can't complain. Can't really complain. But I hope you enjoy. Wait, it's a bit dark. Let me see if I can turn up the brightness. Okay, now we're brighter. Yay, we're brighter. I'm so happy you're here. I hope you enjoy the vlog, enjoy the video. So yesterday we went to Ross. Today I want to go to the thrift shop so I can get a suitcase. I love thrift shopping. You're going to see all of that as part of my video. I love thrift shopping. I will go to the thrift shop so I can get a nice little suitcase. We might go out for dinner. I'm not sure. So we're going to go to the thrift shop. Probably challenge myself to Walmart today. And maybe TJ Maxx. Maybe. I'm not sure. I can show you my outfit. Doing it very simple. Very cute. So the top is either Gap, Target, or Old Navy. Right, let me go down with the bottom. All right, so the top, I think it's Target. Yes, it's Target. Top is from Target. Let me tap in so I focus. The place is well moisturized. All right, so the earrings are from Kate Spade. Really love these little cuddle earrings. Necklace is Coach. I bought it in Japan. Top, Target. I bought it while I was here in Arkansas. Bottom are from Japan. I think it's Uniqlo or GU. Really love these. They're linen blend shorts. And I'm going to wear some Tommy Hilfiger sandals. I hope you can see me clearly. I'm going to wear some Tommy Hilfiger sandals. Let me go for them. Tommy Hilfiger sandals or some H&M black sandals. Not really sure just yet. Old Navy sandals. They were having a sale. I think it was like $2, something like that. These, love them. Like, I'm living at them. I love them very much. Comfortable, cute on the feet. I'll probably turn on my camera shortly and show you how they look on my feet. Wait, let me try and see if I can lower my camera. Okay, let me stabilize you. Look at them. They're so cute. They're really cute. I love them. They're very comfortable. I've been wearing them a lot. Tap in. I've been wearing them a lot. And my bag can hold everything. Yeah. Tote bag from Japan. Easy breezy, so we can shop and get all that we need today. Yeah, so we can shop and get all that we need today. I was up very early this morning. I had to work this morning, so I was up early, went to bed. I was up from like 5. I didn't sleep the night before, last night, so I was up at 5 working and stuff like that, 5 a.m. and then I went cook breakfast, and then I went down for some sleep at around 11 thereabout. Sorry, and I got back up by 2 because I need to get on the road and get some stuff done. I really hope I can challenge myself to the $20 today. $20, $30. I did a mess yesterday at Ross. It was way above that, but I'm gonna show you all that I buy at the end of the video. So yeah, I am totally excited. I need to wash my glasses. I look so cute. Anyways, how are you doing? How life? I have quite a few subscribers and I'm so grateful. I have like 100 and something, and I'm so grateful for everyone that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. How are you doing? You know, how are you doing? How are you taking care of your mental health today or any day? Like when you're watching it today, yeah, how are you taking care of yourself? I hope you sleep, get some rest, eat some good food. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope you enjoy what I'm about to show you. Girl, sis is broke. Sis is low on funds. And catch you later. Bye. First stop of the day is Goodwill. We went and tried pizza. That was the beef pizza, on point, really good. Spicy beef, yeah, patty. I'm sorry. The beef patty was really good. Spicy, delicious, nice. They had a jerk patty, but it more soy. I mean, this one, no man, this one too tattered. Goodwill was a bust because they're charging like $24 for some tattered suitcases. Not what we're going for. So we're gonna try another Goodwill and see how that goes. Oh god, so we were okay. Going inside the Target. Okay, so we are in Target. So we're in Target. We're trying to see what we can get. We loved the sale section the last time, so we're back for the sale section, definitely. They had some like tube tops that I really liked, so we're going to see what that's about. But I'm sorry to be chewing in your ears. Have fun. And these are cute. And for $20. Here are the bodysuits I was talking about, but they're a bit thicker. They were a bit thicker. $18, they were a bit thicker. Wow. I'm just gonna have any. Yeah. What's the clearance price one? Clearance 13.
The shirt.
This is 13.
I would put buttons right there.
I'm going to go over to the sales section, but let's look at some shoes real quick. Turn to put my house. Alright, now our favorite part of the store. Sale section. I look a bit scanty today though. Looking at a bit scanty. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got on clearance. Alright, so we're in the clearance section, which is my favorite section. I'm gonna put down my basket. 1, put down my bag. 2. Alright, I'm a $11 bra, but these are some big bras. These are some massive bras. Yeah, them have $11 bra, but those are big. Those are huge. Anyways, let's see what else I have. $10 clearance price. $10. I have these shorts. I wish I could position you guys somewhere sitting up so I can show you. Let's see what I have. I have clearance. These are giving girl. So we're in Target, we're in the sale section, and we find a few stuff. Look at this purple. So stinking cute. Look at them. These are nice, but they're not my size. Oh my god. I can probably get just 2 boxes coming down for $13. That's a bit ridiculous. These shoes are stupidly cute. And these are cute. But they're size 5. We have to look if they have a bigger size. Because they're so cute. Sale section. But it's not giving. This is a nice lilac. But I don't see the sale price. I don't see the sale price. Alright, let me continue looking. No, I can't go over my bottom. But these are nice. Look at that stuff. It's a nice little jump. A nice little jumper. A nice little track pants. I'm big, it probably needs to be an extra large. But it's cute. You see the design? Such a cutie. Size M. That won't fit me. Nice. These are nice. If it could just be a bit like a medium. Oh my gosh. And it's for $10. These are cute. I want to come with a vest. Baby. It was like $9. I love this. Love. I'm gonna try it. Haven't seen much of anything that I could buy for my peeps, but I'm still looking. Let's see. Let's see what we can fit and what we can fit and what can't fit. Now we have like 2 tops, a dress, and 3 bottoms. Let's see. Okay, so first item, we try the pants. They're tight across right here, and I can't go around my waist. And this is a size 8. All right, next item. Okay, so these they could be a little bit longer, but these are nice. These are like off-white. They're basically $10, extra large. And I love them. I love when they fit. They're loose on me. Look at these. These are cute. This could be a fit for today. Turned up on my house. Okay. My belly. Yeah. This would be really cute if it could fit like a large or extra large. Wow. But it's nice though. Really nice. Really, really nice. But it just has no stretch. Okay. So the top can't button. If it was a medium or a large, it would fit really nicely. But the small, I don't know. Yeah, your girl, I get some ta-ta-tas nowadays. Anyways. And I love it. I love the dress. And it was like $10. Yeah. So that top could not fit. The top has no stretch in it. That's for one. Alright. The dress is beautiful, but I need to adjust the straps one, and then it fit too close across my tummy area, so it's a no for me. So only one thing. Only one. What's that stain in the back? Only one thing. And of course, I have the underwears and the bra, and I took up a boxers for my brother. But this is what I'm looking. So I think this dress would be really cute. I mean, I'm gonna scan it and see what's the price. But I look really cute. I love these sandals. Favorite sandals. Anyways, let me see. Alright, so we're back in here. I want to get some stuff for Tash real quick. And I have some person over here. Let me see if I smell anything that smells good. Alright, so I really love this one. The music of her.